Hi, I'm CC. Today, we'll learn how to import your existing DWG files into CrownCAD as sketches to easily reuse your historical design data. First, go to My Project in CrownCAD, select Import, and then drag the file into the panel or choose Click to Upload to select the DWG file. Here is a pro tip. You can delete the title blocks and borders from the drawing to streamline design workflow. Select and open the imported DWG file. Then create a new part by clicking New in the menu bar. Select the front plane and draw a sketch. Click Insert DWG and choose an imported file from the current or other projects. Use the Move Entities command to position the sketch at the origin point and exit the sketch. Use the Extruded Boss or Base command, select the sketch, choose Blind as the type, set the depth, and click OK. This completes the entire process of creating a model from an imported DWG file. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.